Alrighty, what is up you guys? It has been a minute since I've last picked up this camera. The last video I actually uploaded was installing the brand new wheels onto the car. As you guys can see, the Workmeisters are still on the car. By far my favorite setup that we've had on this car, and funny enough, I actually still have the Kansais. I need to get these over to where they need to go actually, because they've just been sitting here since I put the Workmeisters on. So yeah, I even have my stocks set up over here too. So I got my stocks, my Kansais, just like a whole little mess we got going on, but we're gonna get that dealt with. But anyways, we are going to be installing some new parts onto the car. I know you guys are gonna ask, yo, what happened with hammering the frame? Like, what is going on? I thought you were still doing that. So we are still going to hammer the frame, but unfortunately Diego is out of town right now, so the shop is closed, and I don't want to just go in there and start grabbing stuff and trying to attempt this by myself, because me personally, I've never hammered a frame, and I don't want to start messing things up or, like, I don't know, run into any issues. I've never done it, but I'll wait for him to come back. We'll take off the airbag and we'll go ahead and do all that, because the airbag has to get moved and everything else. So I'm not trying to deal with that right now, and plus I don't have a compressor that I can use to go ahead and do this as well. So yeah, just a lot of factors that aren't on my side, but nonetheless, today we're going to be working on the 8.6. We got some stuff that needs to get done. Unfortunately, when I took the wheel off to do the hammering of the frame, which I'll leave a clip right here, show you guys that we actually did attempt it. I noticed two of my components were completely shot on this car, which hence why we are doing this install today. So let me show you guys what we got going on. Alright, so we have some brand new sway bar end links right here, guys, from Super Low, or Super Pro, I'm sorry, right there. I will leave the link down below for these items as well if you guys are interested. And we got some P2M outer tie rods with some brand new cotter pins. So let me take these wheels off and show you guys what we're working with and what exactly we have going on. Also, stay to the very end of this video if you guys aren't already following me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram right here. I have some very exciting news for you guys as well. If you guys haven't been following me or know what I'm talking about, probably have an idea. But anyways, I have some stuff to share with you guys at the very end of this video, so don't skip through, just wait to the very end. But yeah, let's go ahead and attempt this install. I've never done something like this before, but it seemed pretty easy, so let's just go ahead and knock this out. You guys can see. Alright, we're on the GoPro. I look like an absolute goof right now, but nonetheless, I'm hands-free, so I can actually get my hands on this stuff and not have to worry about anything. So yeah, I look like a goof. Like, a lot of you guys seem to like the new setup rather than the old setup. So, I mean, it makes sense. These wheels are very iconic and you see them at like a lot of shows. But let's check the camber wear too. Oof. Honestly, not too bad, but might be time to go ahead and rotate before we get too far along. So I'll probably do that this weekend, low key. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new wheels. I mean, they are a little bit dirty, but I feel like everyone runs these wheels, and I feel like I can't blame them, honestly. They look so timeless, and it's just a nice, simple, clean look. So let's just go ahead, pop these bad boys right here. I'll probably bring them out back and like clean them, but let me show you guys what we're working with today. So as you guys can see, hopefully, this sway bar link is completely shot. This is the rubber boot that's supposed to be on there, but as you guys can see, it's completely ripped. And I mean, it's not rattling or anything. Oh, there is some rubbing right here too. The low boy status. And check the bag too. Just kind of feeling it. Everything seems Gucci. We did start hammering the frame. This is where we were trying to start at, but we need to get like back here because the bag makes contact right here. So we'll probably have to drop this piece, move it to the side, and then like just hammer at all this. But anyways, so we got that, and then these outer tie rods too. They got a little grease party going on, so that means these are starting to go bad as well. So we're gonna swap these out too and make everything all nice and new. So I don't know what I want to start with, guys. I think I'm gonna probably gonna start with the outer tie rods, honestly, because that seems super simple to do. Too bad from what I've seen, but we need to hit the handy dandy toolbox and get some pliers, because as you guys saw, it did have some cotter pins on there, and those have to come out so that we can go ahead and knock this off. Hopefully you guys can see. All right, so I think it was a 19 millimeter. Hopefully we have, I think I have one. 22, golly, man. There you go, 19. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Oh, man. And let me know, do you guys appreciate these videos more? Like, do you guys like these videos more? Like, the more, I don't know how you should say it. I guess, like, the more, not like yap sesh, but like more of like a one-on-one POV kind of style with the camera. That came right off. I'm scared to see how this looks, guys. I'm gonna be honest. GoPro down for a second and watch a YouTube video on how to take this off real quick, but we got it off, as you guys can see. Just go ahead and spin this puppy off. I was going the wrong way, but guys, this thing is shot, bro. Like, really, really bad. Look at this. I can't make this up. Look at that. I mean, it was completely ripped, and I was driving on that. Look at that. Dude, that's so bad. This is all grease. Like, this isn't the color of the actual, like, outer tie rod. This is just the grease from the ball joint. But yeah, this is it's pretty bad. Alrighty, you guys, we have reached the end of today's video. I just went on a little coffee run and I was like, damn, I really need to film an outro. So I grabbed my camera gear, went, did my coffee run, and now we're shooting this. So yeah, I've been driving my car now. As you guys saw, I went ahead and swapped out my sway bar end links and my outer tie rods because those bad boys were completely shot. Like, they were done. The outer tie rod, as you guys saw, had so much play in it. The grease was absolutely everywhere and the boot ripped. So yeah, it was definitely time to go ahead and swap that out. Anyways, enough yapping about fitment. Y'all don't want to hear about that anymore. Let's talk about the huge reveal that I teased at the very beginning of this video. So I'm gonna put a picture up right here. If you guys haven't been following me on Instagram, I've been teasing this for weeks now, but I got my own merchandise, guys. I have two pictures right here. One where I got the merch in and I put it on my car. I was so freaking excited. I was blown away by the quality. If you guys want to cop any of these t-shirts, I'm actually wearing the 3-car one, which is my absolute favorite. I'm gonna be biased. I wanted the single car to be my favorite. Like when I created it, I was like, oh, I like this one better. This one's gonna be like my favorite one, blah, 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 blah. I was completely wrong, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was completely wrong. I got the 3-car in, I opened it, like both shirts, I opened it up and I laid them on my trunk, and I was like, I like the 3-car one, and I didn't think I was gonna like this one, but I ended up loving it. I wear this shirt all the time now, so like, it's such good quality, and it's insane because it's my own merch. So yeah, if you guys want to support your boy, hit me up on Instagram or in the comment section down below. I will get you guys sorted. I don't care if I gotta ship it, I'll make it happen. If you guys really want a t-shirt, DM me, leave a comment down below. I'll get in contact with you guys and I will get you guys your t-shirts. So, but anyways, enough yapping. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you aren't already. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram so you guys can get the behind the scenes and don't miss out on new merch drops or little teasers that I do for the merch or videos or anything that I have going on. But video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.